Hey guys, it's Paul. If you are in my training on Zoho CRM or you are looking for more in-depth training on Zoho CRM, I've got a discount for you from another Zoho expert, from another Zoho premium partner, and another Zoho YouTuber. So if you've found me on YouTube, then you probably typed in Zoho CRM tutorial. You found my videos, my introductions, my new introductions, and you start to see Lior Izik's. If you check out Lior's channel, go give him a subscribe. He's doing a lot of Zoho CRM videos specifically. He's doing a lot of Zoho videos, but a lot of Zoho CRM in-depth videos and going the next level. He's also got a training course that is sort of the next level to my beginner one that you might want to go and look at. And he has given me a 25% discount for anybody coming from my training or my YouTube channel for you. So if you go to pnuk.co/Lior, Lior, it will jump you to his how to take control of your business with Zoho CRM training, a marketing course, and there's all the information on what is involved and everything you're going to get. There's a private forum and a support group as well, which is really well worth the money. But if you click get the course, you will get, you'll see that the discount code is Paul Nicholson. That gets you 25% off. So if you remove it, you would see it would cost you $159.95 plus the VAT or the tax in your area. Obviously, you can claim all that back if you're a business. You can claim it against training expenses on your business. But the coupon code is Paul Nicholson, and it will get you 25% off. Full disclosure, I do get a cut. Lior, I think it's 25%. I get 25%. You get 25% off. I get 25%, and you get a training course. Now you're on two different training courses with two Zoho experts. So you just go through and purchase it, and that will get you into Lior's training. The actual sales page doesn't show what is really involved totally, but if you go to this link, you can see there's an itinerary. Obviously, Lior's going to tell you all about it. There's an itinerary of lessons, all these different sections, setting up and configuring modules and fields. That's the basic stuff you'll see in mine as well. Crazy import backups, sales cycles. You're going to get a lot more lessons. You're going to get a lot more interactive. You're going to get to ask as many questions you want. And there is a Zoho Connect internal forum as well for even more questions. So pnuk.co/Lior. Get the course. Paul Nicholson's the coupon code, 25% off. And then you'll get flying. You'll go even deeper with your Zoho CRM. So I recommend giving it a try. Definitely go and check out Lior's Izik Zoho. Here we go. Izik Zoho. Go and give him a subscribe at the very least. Another great Zoho resource, another great Zoho partner that's going to get you the most out of your Zoho CRM. Any issues, let me know in the comments, or if you're watching this in my training, any questions, fire away. See you all soon.